Part 2, logarithmic properties. Logarithmic properties. Let b be a positive number not equal to 1, and let u and v be positive numbers. Then the log base b of 1 equals 0. So if we write this in exponential form, we would get b to the 0 equals 1. And it tells us that b is a number that happens to be positive, but any number to the 0 power is 1, so that makes sense. Log base b of b equals 1. This one in exponential form would be b to the first power equals b, which is true. Log base b of b to the x equals x. So this one in exponential form, you'd say this base to this power, so b to the x equals this part right here, b to the x, which is also true, so that makes sense. And if log base b of u equals log base b of v, then u would have to be equal to v. And this is because logarithms are one-to-one functions. So let's find the exact value for each of the following. Natural log of 1. Let's think about what this means. If I have natural log of 1, that's the same as the log base e of 1. So e to what power equals 1? Well, e to the 0 power equals 1. And like we said on the previous slide, if we have the log of any base to the first log of any base of 1, we do get 0. How about log of 10? So that's log base 10 of 10. So 10 to what power is 10, which would be 1. Natural log of e to the e. So remember, natural log is log base e. So e to what power equals e to the e? Well, that would be e. And log of 10 to the e. So 10 to what power equals 10 to the e would be e. You could always think about these in exponential form to help you evaluate the logs. Let's determine the value of x for each of the following. Log of 10 equals log of x minus 1. Now, because log is a one-to-one function, we know that if log of 10 equals log of x minus 1, then 10 must equal x minus 1. And we can add 1 to both sides, and we get 11 equals x. For this one, we have the natural log of x equals the natural log of pi plus 2. So the same base, and because natural log is a one-to-one function, that means that x would have to be equal to pi plus 2. And we could approximate that about 3.14 plus 2, but pi plus 2 would give you our exact answer for x.